Now the most important color is yellow. I'm gonna use this cadmium yellow. Just a little bit left. I hope it's enough for my painting. These are the few colors that I'm gonna use for the sunflower petal. The cadmium yellow, the cadmium orange, and also burnt sienna. Alright, for the petals, only these few colors. Also the darker color, right? So now it's just the first part of the first layer, right? Now you see that I'm adding some darker tones for the petals at the back, so that the petals in the front may stand out, right? So I mix burnt sienna, with the cadmium yellow, just a bit of cadmium yellow, and burnt sienna. Okay, we're just gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna paint this area at the center. Okay, for the petal here, right, because I want to, the petals here, there is some like lines over here, so I'm gonna make these lines. Mixing a bit of burnt sienna with some cadmium orange. Basically, I'm going to just repeat this on every petal. Clean the brush, damp it a bit. So as you paint, you can just add in more petals. But the petals at the back is not just one color, right? There is like still a yellowish tone to it. Just gonna do something like this. So I'm just taking the color from here and just put it a bit at the petal here, so that it looks like it's together, you see? It's not like it's separated. just gonna start off with a lighter green. Get a bit of red here. Oops. Too much. Too much. And here goes another one. I think I'm done with this.